Good morning children. Today we are going to start exercise 5.4 and question B is find the LCM by the division method. And the first part is you have to find LCM of 30 and 55. We'll write 30 and 55 together. As 30 is an even number can be divided by 2, we'll write 15 as quotient here. 55 is an odd number cannot be divided by 2, we'll bring down 55 as it is. Both are odd numbers, so cannot be divided by 2. We'll take next prime number, that is 3. 3 5 the 15 and 55 is not divisible by 3, so we'll bring down 55 as it is. Again both are odd numbers, cannot be divided by 2. These are not divisible by 3, so the next prime number is 5. So 5 1 the 5 and 55 divided by 5 is 11. So the prime factors of 30 and 55 are 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. When we multiply all these numbers, we get LCM as 330. So the LCM of 30 and 55 is 330. Now take fifth part. You have to find LCM of 11, 24 and 33. We'll write all the numbers together. Here we see 24 is an even number, can be divided by 2, so we'll divide 24 by 2. As 11 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2, we'll bring down it as it is. Then 24 divided by 2 is 12. And 33 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2, we'll bring down 33 as it is. Again we see 12 is an even number, can be divided by 2, so we'll divide 12 by 2. 11 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2, we'll bring down it as it is. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 33 again odd number, cannot be divided by 2, we'll bring down 33 as it is. Again we see 6 is an even number, can be divided by 2, so divide by 2. 11 cannot be divided by 2, bring down 11 as it is. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And again 33 is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2, so we'll bring down 33 as it is. Now we see all our odd numbers cannot be divided by 2. So the next prime number is 3 and 3 is divisible by 3. So we'll take 3 here. 11 is not divisible by 3, so we'll bring down 11 as it is. 3 1 the 3, the quotient is 1 and 33 divided by 3 is 11. Now after 3 we get 11 and 11 is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5 or 7. The next prime number is 11. 11 is multiplied by 11. So we'll divide 11 by 11. We get quotient as 1. So the prime factors of 11, 24 and 33 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. When we multiply these all, we get 11 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 264. So the LCM of 11, 24 and 33 is 264. In the same way, you will do all parts. That's all for today. Bye-bye.